afternoon, children. This is Hanuman sir here. In the previous class, we are discussing about playing with numbers. Under playing with numbers, we already discussed the different patterns and different types of numbers, like natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, prime numbers, composite numbers, and so on. So in this session, I am going to take you on the same topic, that is tests of divisibility. So in class 7th and 6th, you learnt how to check the divisibility by the following divisors. So the divisibility rule by 10, divisibility rule by 5, divisibility rule by 2, divisibility rule by 3, 6, 4, 8, 9 and so on. So you would have found the test easy to do, but you may have wondered at the same time why they work. Now in this chapter we shall go into the why, especially why aspect if the above, right? So the first divisibility rule by 10 is, so this is certainly the easiest test of all. We first look at the some multiples of 10. So this is 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20, 10 threes are 30, 10 fours are 40, 10 fives are 50 and 10 sixes are 60 and so on, right? And then at some non multiples of 10, so this is 13 ones are 13 twos are 13, 27, 32, 48, 52, 55, 69, 77, etc. From these lists, we see that if the ones digit of a number is 0, then the number is a multiple of 10. In the second case, if the ones digit is not 0, then the number is not multiple of 10. So we get a test of divisibility of 10. So we get a test of divisibility by 10. Of course, we must not stop with just stating the test. We must also explain why it's work. That is not hard to do. We only need to remember the rules of place value. Take the number CBA. This is a short form for plus 100C plus 10B plus A. Here A is the ones digit, B is the tens digit and C is the hundreds digits and so on. The dots are there to say that there may be more digits to left of C. Yes? Okay. Then since 10, 100, 1000 are divisible by 10, so are 10B, 100C and etc. As for the number A is concerned, it must be a divisible by 10. If the given number is divisible by 10, this is possible only when A is equals to 0. So that I want to conclude my words. So according to divisibility rule by 10 states that a number is divisible by 10 when its ones digit must be equals to 0, right? Yes, a number is divisible by 10 when its ones digit is 0. Okay. So according to divisibility rule by 10, a number is divisible by 10 when its ones digit is 0. A number is divisible by 10 when its ones digit is 0. That is C. 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20, 10 threes are 30, 10 fours are 40, 10 fives are 50, 10 sixes are 60 and so on. For example, 100 is completely divisible by 10. 1000 is completely divisible by 10. 990 is completely divisible by 10. So this is and it is 550 00 is completely divisible by 10, right? So 100, 1000, 990, 5500 are completely divisible by 10 because the unit place should be contains a 0, right? So according to divisibility rule by 10, a number is divisible by 10 when its ones digit is 0. When its ones digit is 0. Is this clear to all children? Yes. So next we have divisibility rule by 5. According to divisibility by 5, so look at the multiples of 5. So this is 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 six are 30, 5 sevens are 35, 5 eights are 40, 5 nines are 45, and 5 tens are 50. Right? Yes. So that we see that the ones digit are alternatively 5 and 8, 5 and 0, and no other digit ever appears in this list. So we get our test is divisibility by 5. If the ones digit of a number is 0 or 5, then it is divisible by 5. So let us example. I want to conclude my words. So if the ones digit of a number is 0 or 5, then it is divisible by 5. For example, see 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and so on. So 515 is completely divisible by 5. 1050 is completely divisible by 5. So under 2055 is completely divisible by 5. So and 800 is completely divisible by 5. So listen here, children. So if the ones digit, so it is a 3-digit number, so that is unit to tens of 100. It can be read as 515, and this is 1050. This is 4-digit number, 4-digit number, 4-digit number, right? So it has 4-digit number, that is unit to tens of 100 to 1000, right? So here the unit place must be equals to 5 and 0, right? Yes. Okay, so if the ones digit of a number is 0 or 5, then it is divisible by 5.